Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you buy crypto on Coinbase. In order to buy crypto on Coinbase, then you have to follow the steps. First of all, launch Open Crypto or the Coinbase application. On this field, you could either go ahead and tap on the plus button, or here you could go ahead and scroll down and you could look for all asset and select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. If you just want to go with crypto, then you have to look for the crypto or any sort of crypto asset, then you have to go and click that out. Now for example, I'm just going to go ahead and select the Tether. Once you actually do it, so you will then be able to see all this information. So if you're sure about buying it, click on the buy button. It will then take you to the next field where you have to select the pay with and choose or confirm your payment method. When you do it, so then you have to select buy and choose or confirm the asset that you're buying, after which you want to go ahead and review the order and confirm it as well. Once you've completed, then you've completely bought crypto on Coinbase. That's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.